Hi, Shantan, to go back to our channel. I'm TaylorAnne.
And I'm LoriAnne.
And together we are
MADCURLS.
And welcome to another MADCURLS video. MADCURLS March Madness video. This is week number 2. And you would have seen by the title who our sponsor is this week. It is
CurlMix.
CurlMix, of course. Can't do a giveaway without CurlMix. So they generously offer 2 bundles. We always try to do 2 bundles, one for YouTube, one for Instagram. So we have 2. And let's dive right into it and show you guys what are in your bundles, what you are getting.
Okay.
So the YouTube winner will get the... You actually have yours all like nice in a box.
We'll get
that. So the unscented CurlMix bundle.
yes.
So that would be the pure aloe vera shampoo.
Okay.
The pure flaxseed conditioner, which is my favorite. I love it. The pure avocado moisturizer, and of course, I'm sorry, I can't speak. Of course, the pure flaxseed gel. So you will get all 4 of these products. You'll probably get a box just like this with your bundle in it. 4 products.
Okay.
So the Instagram winner will get the same 4 products, except it is in the watermelon fragrance,
Okay.
which is my favorite.
All right.
It smells like watermelon.
Start with
The shampoo, the conditioner,
the gel, and what do we have here?
the moisturizer.
The moisturizer right here.
So these 4 products.
These 4 right here.
So you have a chance to win one of these CurlMix bundles
Who
this
loves
week.
CurlMix?
Okay. So
Okay, down to business.
down to business. How can you win? So let's start with YouTube. So on YouTube, we didn't discuss what they had to comment down below.
We didn't. I know. So as you're talking, I'll think.
Okay, so you have to make sure that you are subscribed not only to the MADCURLS YouTube channel, but also the CurlMix YouTube channel. They have a YouTube channel. We will link it in the description box. You have to make sure that you are subscribed to their YouTube channel,
Okay.
as well as ours. And comment down below.
Flaxseed.
Okay, flaxseed.
Yeah.
Comment down below flaxseed.
Yeah, because I'm thinking because flaxseed gels like so hard to do at one point, and they, to me, in my mind, were one of the first companies that did that, right?
Yeah.
That created that took the complication out of that. People were on the stove burning. For me, I'd be burning.
Well, they took the because people
They had
still
the
be sitting there
kits.
burning and doing stuff.
Right.
They do that, but they just bottled it and sell it. So basically, like, we don't have to sit there and cook it on the stove.
Right.
Like, it's done
Yeah.
for us already.
To me, not everyone can do a flaxseed gel, though. To me, it
Very
would be
true.
a tricky process, and there are some things that just feel different about different
Yeah.
ones. This, to me, is really...
There are a lot of
yeah.
companies now slapping flaxseed
Yeah.
and everything and making flaxseed gels, but I think CurlMix is like
Yeah,
the
corner of the
best.
market on. I mean, I have it in my
love
hair
it.
now.
Oh, do you?
Yeah. Always
Oh, you
on
got
my
CurlMix in your hair?
always on my days off.
Okay.
I say this is what I go to. These are my go-to products.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, I need to put CurlMix in mine because my hair is a little short right now, and
Okay.
CurlMix always like gives me that elongation that I want. So I need to put it in my hair. Okay, that's YouTube. Heading over to Instagram, you're gonna see a post that looks like this. It's gonna pop up here somewhere. And so on that post, make sure you like the post. You are subscribed again to our YouTube channel and CurlMix's YouTube channel, and you are following CurlMix and MADCURLS on Instagram. So you're following both CurlMix and MADCURLS on YouTube and Instagram.
Okay.
And you are going to tag 2 friends in the comments.
Okay.
And so that's all you have to do on Instagram. But on Instagram, the post, all the rules will be there again for Instagram. So you can see it there. This is US only. And this giveaway is going to run today, Friday, March 13th, till Monday, March 16th, where we will put it through a spinner and 2 winners will pop out for YouTube and Instagram. And when we contact you, you have 24 hours to respond to us.
Right.
Last week, somebody literally made it within the last half hour. Like, and she emailed us within like that 24-hour mark was right there. And I had the spinner waiting to like choose somebody else. And she emailed, she's like, oh my gosh, wait. And so she just made it. So you have 24 hours. We not playing. Like, and we're picking somebody else. But yeah, is that it?
I think that's it.
Okay, yeah. So good luck entering. You guys definitely want to enter this one because CurlMix is amazing. If you've never tried it, you're going to want to try it.
Yeah, and definitely go check out their YouTube channel. It's really cute.
Yeah.
I'm always looking for like new YouTube channels, and so it is cute.
It's cute.
Yeah, it's cute.
Yeah. All right, guys. So thanks so much for watching this video. Good luck.
All right. And we'll see you in our next video.
See you in our next video.
All right.